This chip cable can turn your laptop into OEM Toyota Lexus diagnostic software, same like they use in Toyota Lexus dealerships. In this video I will demonstrate Techstream cable functionality, and I will also give you a guide where to buy it, which one buy it, how to install it and how to use it safely. So first of all, there are a lot of versions you can buy. Which one to buy, that is up to you. However, if you want one that is proven, you can get exactly same one. It was on Amazon for around $50, and I know that on AliExpress they sell for like 25, so it's up to you. If you want exact this one, which I am sure it works, then you can just follow link in description and get this one. But I will also link the cheapest one on AliExpress, so you can choose. When you're installing software for this cable, it will ask you to disable antivirus. Now I'm not doing that with my main laptop, so what I have is separate laptop. I picked this up for around 200 euro. I use it for all computer OBD2 software. Very good purchase, and it also got CD-ROM, so I could install software directly from CD. But if you cannot put CDs in your laptop, I have solution for you as well, don't worry. But I am really recommending having separate laptop, because I am not disabling antivirus on my main computer and then installing some suspicious software. That's why I am using refurbished laptop. I will put link for it in description as well. Now for this video I want to demonstrate how to use it. In case you already have this cable and you need guide how to install it, I will put this in separate video. Just click up here, and that video will focus on installing Techstream. But in this video I want to show you amazing functionality you can get for $25 basically. So once you got your Techstream installed, before you start your program you want to have cable connected to computer on one end and to OBD port on the other end. First connect cable, then start software on your computer. Then it will ask you to input vehicle specifications. When I watched some videos about Techstream, they usually got this inputted automatically. Mine does not do it, so I have to input it myself. Now this first tab, you can find it on your driver's doors. There is a black label and you can find this code. For other codes, I found them with my other diagnostic device, but I also use Techstream on other cars, and when I don't know which one to input, I just select one randomly, and then if it doesn't work, I try another one. But usually it works if I select randomly anyway. So select your specifications, and now this is how it looks like inside Techstream software. You got list of all control modules. So this works for all control modules and not just scanning for fault codes. Every functionality this scanner has. Techstream can customize vehicle settings. It is bidirectional, so you can control components that are activated by electricity just with your laptop, which means you are able to command literally hundreds of components to turn on and off and test them instantly. And you can do it for every control module. For example, if I go to body module, I can test my door lock, I can test my headlights, windshield washer, or even windshield wiper, and these are just tests for one control module. I can do these tests in all modules. For example, if I go to engine module, I will get a completely different lists of other tests that are for engine components. For example, I can try turning on my engine fan just with my laptop. Low operation, which is low speed, and now high operation, so high speed. See, I just tested my engine cooling fan just using my laptop and $25 diagnostic software. Now Techstream will give you full functionality for diagnosing faults in every control module. However, the most fun function, and the reason why most people buy this cable, is to customize your Toyota's hidden settings. So the newer your Toyota or Lexus is, the more hidden settings you have inside your car that you can customize with your OBD2 scanner. For example, my car came from factory without ability to open windows from my key fob. What I can do is go to this customized settings, find category for power windows, and then enable opening windows from my key fob. You can even select multiple values at once. Hit enter, and now the settings are written in my car's control module that is responsible for power windows. So now when I press unlock on my key fob, all power windows will roll down. Pretty cool, right? And then you got like 15 different categories, and each category has maybe from 5 to 20 different settings. So for newer Toyota model you will get a lot of stuff you can play with. Now if you want to see possible customizations for your exact Toyota Lexus or Scion model, I don't want to repeat myself. I did video about unlocking hidden features on Toyota and Lexus. I am using different tool there, but you can do literally the same with Techstream. I will link it up here. Just open it, and once you are done with this video, you can just continue watching that one. So this ECU coding to unlock hidden features is cool, but what is also cool with Techstream is the amount of data it can pull from every control module. Regardless if it is engine, ABS, transmission, hybrid control module, if you have one, I can go to every of the modules and get a lot of live data values. I mean, this software probably can get really every data value that my Toyota knows. And then for every control module you can build custom data pages. You can display this data in form of graphs. This can be really helpful when diagnosing faults, especially in the engine. Visualizing those data in form of graphs is really helpful to help you understand how your car is behaving and what might be wrong, so which part you need to replace. And then, as every good ability scanner, you can also save this data and review them later. Now, one more great thing you can use live data for is doing used car check. So if you're about to buy used Toyota, Lexus or Scion, what you can do with Techstream is go to multiple control modules and verify for any suspicious data. For me, the number one thing I look is the mileage records, because there are multiple control modules that can store mileage if you are checking newer vehicle. If I was checking used vehicle right now, I would go to every control module and check in every of them. Not all of them will store this mileage data, but if I have 30 control modules, maybe I can find mileage record in 5 of them. And you can also use your Techstream for performing different service tasks. So first, in the left menu, what you will see is ECU Reprogramming. If you go there, it will pull up identification number of each control module, which you can then ask in Toyota dealership if it is up to date. So if you have any problem in certain control module, just ask dealership if this ID is most up-to-date software for that control module, or if you can come for control module refresh, maybe it will fix your problem. And then in every control module you can open utility, which is equivalent of service procedures on other OBD2 scanners, and that you can use, for example, for opening electronic brake calipers or changing brake pads on car that has electronic calipers, or other service tasks. For example, you can write new VIN number if you change engine control module. You can register new TPMS sensors. Every control module has these different utility features. And then last but not least, most basic function of every OBD2 scanner is reading fault codes. Techstream can do full scan, so it will find fault codes in every control module. And I was surprised that for every code it gives really rich freeze frame data values. So freeze frame, if you don't know, basically is set of data from exactly the time when the code was first found by my ECU. So if I have this mass airflow code, I can go to freeze frame and I see all the parameters from exactly the time when this code was stored in ECU. That can give me a really good idea about in what condition is fault happening. And on other scanners, usually you get less parameters or you just don't get any at all. And then of course you can also erase that code. So if the code is triggering your check engine light, like in my Toyota, what I can do, I can simply go to these clear codes, confirm erasing codes, and voila, my check engine light is gone. So this was Toyota Techstream. I mean, for the price, especially if you buy it on AliExpress for $25 and you have some old laptop, like it is basically free, there is no subscription. You just need this cable, you need to get it to work, and then you can use it. It doesn't really have much problems. I mean, it happened to me maybe 2 times that I was redirected to original Techstream, because when you install it, you basically will have 2 Techstream versions on your laptop and you can only use one, because one will ask for a serial key, which you don't have. And then 2 times it happened that it redirected me to that original version and I had to restart my Techstream. But if you are getting OEM software that costs like, I don't know how much, but it is in thousands of dollars, and you get it for 25, you need to be prepared for some bugs. However, if you would like a scanner that has all of Techstream features, but it is very easy to use, you will not have trouble installing it, you will not have trouble using it, and on top of that you will get free lifetime updates, then I suggest you check this launch reader for Toyota. I recently tested it, it is really amazing, you really will not have any issues, and you can watch full review in this video.